Welcome to FinTech. Today we are going to discuss about something very interesting. So we are going to discuss about CMS. CMS stand for Content Management System. So it's actually a software that helps user to create, manage and modify content on a website without needing to code. In simple term, if I want to say, it's like lets you build and manage a website easily. Even if you don't know HTML, CSS or JavaScript, any kind of coding, so CMS will help you to build on it. How a CMS work? A CMS has two main parts. One is CMA and the other one is CDA. CMA is actually an interface that you use to add or edit content, like writing a blog post or updating an image. CDA stands for content delivery application, the backend system that stores and deliver the content to your website visitor. That is where CDA comes in. So now let's see about the various components of CMS. So we have a front end, backend, database, API layers. So you know all these parts. Front end where the user sees, backend where you manage your content. So right now I have explored one CMS which is Strapi, where I used to store all my contents there and integrate on my front end like React or something. So database where you can store all your datas, and you can, I said about integrating. So by using some API you can integrate from your backend and it will transfer your data directly into your front end. It's a connection actually. So let's come to the popular examples of CMS. When it's come to website CMS, there exists WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, all this comes in, and Headless CMS, which I talked earlier, which is Strapi, which is very contentful. You can manage your content, everything. So it's no need to code, nothing you have to do it. Just send the API to your friend end. So e-commerce CMS, there exists the Shopify, Magento, like that things. Now let's move to why use a CMS. I have explained already, but still you can watch on it. It will be easy to create and update content, multi-user access and permission. So in CMS, it can give access to every user, each and every user you can say. So you can build any kind of website or mobile application, both support in CMS, which will be built very faster, and it's very scalable and API ready. Now let's move to traditional vs headless CMS. So traditional CMS is something combines of front end and back end. Let's say an example of WordPress. So I have explained about your Strapi, which is completely headless CMS. It only manages the backend. Okay, what are the things that the user have to send directly to your front end? Will store everything in a backend, and by using few APIs, it will transfer into front end. So that is called actually headless. So Strapi is one of the best example. You can easily explore it. In my upcoming video, I will be explaining you how to set up Strapi and how to use it. You can develop everything very fast and quicker. Atlas CMS is flexible for web and mobile apps. As I said earlier, it's very flexible for both. So you just have to explore about CMS. It's very easy to manage the content. It will actually save the time and effort. You sit months to build your app or website, everything, but Strapi help you to build very quicker. Backend is the hardest part in the coding, so it will help you to create without need of coding. You just have to design your front end and integrate it. That's simple. It's very ideal for modern webs and app development. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching.